Welcome all of you to this video of Maths Made Easy. Now in this video we are going to do, as I had told, we are going to take a few questions on set builder form and roster form. So let us quickly see. Here write in roster form. This is the first question. The set of square numbers less than 40. How to do this? Okay, when they say square numbers, they are asking for perfect squares. Okay. So they are asking for perfect squares less than 40. So let's see, and first thing they want a set. So we need the curly bracket. Okay, less than 40, first square number less than 40 is a 1. Then we have 4. Then we have 9, 3 square, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36. Okay. We don't have any more. So this is the set of square numbers less than 40. The set of factors of 144. Now, here there will be many factors. How do we not miss out any of the factors? We will do prime factorization. Okay, 2, this is 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3 and 3. Okay, so the factors are 2 and 3 only. Don't write them repeatedly, because we should not write in a set, we should never repeat the elements. Okay, therefore this is only 2 and 3. Let's take this one, the set of natural numbers less than 50. If we talk about the set of natural numbers less than 50, then we will have to take complete 49 numbers. So we'll have to start here. Okay, and 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 don't waste till, sorry, not 50, but we'll have to write till 49. Okay, because they said less than 50. They didn't tell us less than equal to 50. Therefore, we will write till 49. Don't waste time writing all of them. The set of letters in the word satellite. Now here once again, what are the letters? Okay, so S is 1, A is 1, T, L, I, E. Is there anything else that I missed? T, E, L, I, yes, all done. So here these are the letters. Now why you see that I have written only 5? Because the only 6, because I am not supposed to repeat the letters in a set. Okay, so these are the letters of the set satellite in roster form in a set. Okay, so let's start with the next. Let us start with the next question now. So this is what we call roster form. That means we are writing each of the numbers with a comma. Actually, we are writing the elements actually. Now when we do set builder form, you will see that we don't write them actually. We just give some indications, some hints to get the set. Okay, so in roster form, we write down the elements properly with the help of commas. So here we have rewrite as indicated. First one, we see -2, -4, -6, -8, dot, dot, dot. In set builder form, we'll have to write. So first this curly bracket. Okay, and x is such that, this is how we say also, x is less than 0. Clearly x is less than 0 in all of them. Okay, and then x is even. That means basically you are looking for even negative numbers. So because of the dot, 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 we can't stop at 8. So we'll have to say x is even. Okay, so here in set builder form we have written. So you can write small conditions like this, and these are very much important. X has to be less than 0 all the time. For all the values, x has to be less than 0. For all the values, x has to be even. Okay, let's see this set builder notation. Write in set builder notation again. Now I see there's minus all odd numbers. Okay, here again in set builder notation I will write x is such that x is, this is another way of writing. See, it is going from -1 to -9. I'll write a -9 here, and then I'll write a -1. But then if I write this, it is not including -1. Less than equal to will not work. Less than will not work. Less than equal to is going to work, because we have to include -1 also in the set. Here also greater than equal to -9 and x is odd. So here some limitations I have set for, I have put an upper limit and a lower limit for x. Okay, that x can't exceed -1, but it has to include -1. X can't be lower than -9, but it has to take -9 also, and then x has to be odd. So naturally, if you have given the limit -1 to -9, then it is going to pick up -1, -3, -5, -7, -9. You can see none of the values are missed in between this range. Okay, now this one, -4, -3, -2. Now this has been darkened. Okay, this has been darkened. They want you to write this set in roster form. What should we do? Clearly, you just have to pick up. Okay, you just have to pick up and you have to write like this: -3 comma, then it is 1 comma, and then 5 comma. So the set which comes out of this is made up of only these 3 elements. So here there are 2 questions. Okay, generally this is the type that is asked in the exam. So let us quickly solve this. Here they have given a connection, a relation between x and y. Now y is such that, another way of writing such that, okay, 5x minus 2. So y is equal to 5x minus 2. X belongs to natural numbers, means x has to be a natural number. So we will start with the first natural number 1 and we'll substitute it here. How much do we get? Y is equal to 3. Okay, then 2, that makes it 10 minus 2, 8, 3, 15 minus 2, 15 minus 2 is a 13, and then next one, okay, next one is, if I take 4, it makes it 20, 18, and then dot dot dot, because they didn't say that where we have to stop. So natural numbers are also going on, therefore you have to keep on substituting and it goes on till infinity. Okay, so here this is 18 and you stop here. 3, 8, 13, 18. Let's come to this question. Looks little complicated, but it is actually easy. Here again one relation has been given. P is a whole number, means you can take 0, you have to take 0, and P is less than equal to 5. Here an outer boundary is given. That is, you can't exceed 5, but you have to take 5. Okay, so let us start with the values of x. What is the first value of x? Here I'll put a 0. Okay, so it becomes 1. Okay, rather if I put a 0, it becomes a -1. 0, here 0, here it becomes a -1. Okay, next one is, I'll put a 1 now, the next whole number. Okay, once I put 1 here, this upper one becomes a 4. Here it becomes 2 minus 1, 1. Here it becomes 4. So 4. 4 by 1, 4. Then I'll take a 2 here. This is 7. 6 plus 1, 7, and 4 minus 1, 3. 7 by 3. Okay, even fractions can be included. Next one I am taking is next one that I'll take is, because I am allowed to take till 5, so I'll take 4, 12, 13, and this is 8 minus 1, 7. Next one that I am going to take is 5, and that is 15 plus 1, 16, and this is by 9. Okay, I have missed one here. Okay, that is, I am supposed to take 6 altogether, 0 to 5. Here I am getting 5 values, that means I have missed one. So here this was for 7 by 3 was when I took 2 here. So I think I missed the one with 3. Okay, so what is the one with 3? This is 10 by, this is 6 minus 1. So the one with 3 I have missed, that is 2. Okay, so now I can close the bracket. That is all. Here in this I don't put a dot 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 like here, because the outer boundary is mentioned. Okay, so I'll stop here. Now here is a question, state finite or infinite set. So we just have to read it and decide finite or infinite. Set of lines parallel to the x-axis. Now the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis, it will go on and it's never going to end. Therefore it is infinite. Okay. Then the set of animals living on earth, that is finite, because we can actually count them. It will take a lot of time, but we can actually count. The set of whole numbers greater than 5, that set of whole numbers which are greater than 5. Again, this is infinite because numbers, if they had told less than 5, then it would have been finite. But here this is infinite because after 5 it goes on, keep on counting. The set of integers between -4 and 4, very much finite. Okay, so you'll have to think for 1 minute for these questions. X is a letter of the word follow. Equal or not? Are these two equal sets or not? So let me make, this is given in set builder form. So never try to do these kind of sums by orally thinking. Please do it in rough or you are going to go wrong, I am telling you. Okay, so this is F follow. So F dot O dot L, don't repeat, and W. Okay, so O and L only once. Here, Y is the letter of the word wolf. W O L F. Very, very interesting. Note here, they are the same elements. Okay. Therefore, set A is equal to set B. Okay. So the sequence can be different, but then the exact letters are here. Members are same of the two sets. Hence, they are equal sets. Very, very important questions. We have to see whether these are singleton sets or not. That means they should have only one element. I have told in my last video what is a singleton set. If it has only one element, it is a singleton set. Okay. So here, this is modulus. You know this is modulus, or it is called absolute value. You must have done in your class earlier. Now, x belongs to natural numbers and mod x is equal to 5. Okay, that means if x is already natural numbers, then we can have only here mod x is equal to 5 can be only one number, which is 5 itself, plus 5. We can't even take minus 5. Okay, so here the only answer, only value of x is 5. Okay, hence this is a singleton set. This is a singleton set. If I talk about this, let's look at this equation. I can see one middle term factorization here. Okay, so here that is x belongs to natural numbers. So if we work this out, minus 8x minus 3x plus 24 is equal to 0. X minus 8 minus 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 8, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So, x is equal to 8, x is equal to 3. Okay. So, x is equal to, therefore, what are the values of x? We know to solve this, right? It is either 8 or 3. Now, is this a singleton set then? Then the values of x for this particular set is 8, 3. It is not a singleton set. So this is not singleton. Okay, let's talk about this. Now x belongs to z, means it belongs to the set of integers. Okay, and x cube is minus 125, means if we do cube root, x will be equal to only minus 5. So the only value of x, and then it belongs to z also, integer. So we can take minus 5. The only answer is here because we can't take plus 5. Plus 5 into plus 5 is 25. Into plus 5 will give me a 125, not a minus 125. Therefore, the only answer is this, which is minus 125 is my answer. This is again a singleton set. Okay. So these were few of the questions which are from set theory, very basic questions which help you to understand singleton set, what is a finite set, what is infinite set. Okay, so do some practice in this, complete the exercises, it will give you a clearer idea. Okay, and then how to write in set builder notation, how to write in roster notation. So things like this, and also you learn about this. This can be something that you miss out. So see to it that you know this. Okay, and of course you have to understand which N, W, Z. Okay, what are these things? This you have to know very, very well. So that is it for today. If you have not subscribed the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, because I'm going to upload all 11th standard maths videos in a series now, one after the other. We are going to continue with sets, and then once sets gets over, we are going to take a very, very important chapter of relations and functions. Okay, so slowly the topics are going to get little tougher. Okay, and you'll see that if you're following the videos, you'll get a very good idea of the chapters. So do not forget to subscribe. Also leave a comment behind if you find my videos to be useful. Thanks all of you. Bye then.